my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you do well and staying safe and healthy. Today is a special day for me. It's my 6th year anniversary on YouTube. I can't believe how far I came. Thank you to all of my subscribers who followed me from the beginning. Thank you for your support and loving my Southern dishes and hospitality. And I'm looking forward to sharing more great recipes with all of you in the coming years. Thank you. Well, to celebrate, are you a fan of pecan pie and cheesecake? Well, why not combine the two and make a pecan pie cheesecake? Oh yes, how yummy does that sound? And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it is next level good. It's gonna be so buttery, creamy, and full of flavor. Everybody's gonna fall in love with this. And now I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cheesecake and pies recipes playlist and my previous video, Creamy Grits. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your cream cheese, and your pecans, sugar, because we're about to bake some pecan pie cheesecake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our syrup filling. In my bowl, I have 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. And in 2 our eggs, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And here's the ingredient that's going to give this pie a great flavor. We're going to add in 1 cup of butter pecan syrup. Oh, yes. Going to give it a great buttery pecan flavor. And you can find it at your local grocery store. Buy your maple syrup, but if you can't find it, you can buy it online. Going to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Smells good. Alrighty, our syrup mixture is complete. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on our cream cheese filling. In my large bowl, I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that let come to room temperature, or you can use cream cheese spread. And we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until it's fluffy. All right, my friends, our cream cheese filling is complete. That looks great. All right, now we're ready to pour it into the pie crust. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch deep dish pie crust, but I have a recipe for homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated pie crust. Alrighty, so now on top of the cream cheese filling, we're going to add in the pecans. I'm using the pecan halves. There's 2 cups, or you can use the chopped pecans. Then we're just going to put the pecan halves right on top, like so. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the pecans on, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got all my pecans together, and off camera, I placed my pie onto a cookie sheet. So now it's time for the final step. All we do is pour this luscious syrup filling right on top. Oh, yeah. And this is where the magic happens. While the pie bakes, the pecans will rise up to the top. It's going to be magnificent. Now ready to put this cheesecake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 45 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the filling is set. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Pecan pie cheesecake. Oh, doesn't it look beautiful? Oh, my Lord. And smells heavenly. And look at those pecans on top. Doesn't this make your mouth water? I took it out of the oven. So now we're going to let the cheesecake cool completely. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some whipped cream on top. I want to show y'all the layers. See the cheesecake filling and the syrup layer? That looks good. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Decadent. And I love that crunch from the pecans. I can taste a little of the butter pecan syrup. And that cheesecake filling is divine. This is one fantastic dessert, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm going to grab me some whipped cream. And the pie crust is perfectly cooked. Yum-o. Pecan pie cheesecake delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.